How to download episodes on Disney Plus. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily download episodes on Disney Plus app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Disney Plus app. Then once you are in your Disney Plus app, you have to go to that series of which you want to download episodes. So let's say, for example, I want to download episodes of this series. You have to tap on it to open, and then here you will see besides watch episodes. Tap on it, and here you will see seasons, and then here below seasons you will see the episodes. Now for example, if you want to download this episodes, below it you will see download option. You will see download option in below each episodes. Now to download the episode, you just simply have to tap on download, and you will get two options to select your video quality, HD or SD. After you select the quality, the downloading will automatically start. Now to go to downloads, go back, and you have to tap on the three lines in the top left corner here, and then here you will see downloads. Tap on it, and here will be all of the episodes you have downloaded. So this is how you can download episodes on Disney Plus app. Thanks for watching.